Ma Sharde, respected Chief Guest Sir, Manager Sir, Director Sir, Member of School Managing Committee, Mr. Avinash Sir, dear teachers, parents, and my dear blossoming birds, I mean students. See, first of all, I would like to congratulate you on 72nd Republic Day. This is a pious occasion. We all have assembled here, and after that I would like to pay my homage, I would like to pay my tribute to all those who have been involved in independence of our nation and framing the world's longest and the wonderful constitution before us. I remember the two important dignitaries. Number one is the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was head of the drafting committee, and our first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the President of the formation of the Constitution. Dear students, all of you know that our Constitution is a great Constitution. As it has been said by our Chief Guest Sir, that in our Constitution, and Mr. Amit Sir has also mentioned that in different other constitutions, we start our place remembering the religion first. But in our Constitution, the religion is the secondary, and the prime focus has been laid down for the citizen of the India. It shows that the nation, the citizen, or the humanity is above all religion, caste and creed. Definitely, it is a wonderful thing. The God has created us. Every living being in this world is to be respected, is to be honored, because first the citizens, first the humans, they come, then after the religion is being made, after that the religion is being drafted. Next, I would like to take you back for almost about 10 months. You all have noticed that during past 10 months period, the COVID-19 situation, it has created a havoc among us. Not only we can say that in our country, but throughout the globe, throughout the universe. This COVID-19, it has created a very serious effect on us. This effect is very serious in every field of our life. But when we talk about the education, when we talk about the schools, I think the worst affected thing is the schools. You can say that schools are those who are involved in the activities of schools. That is the management of school, teachers, parents, and students. This lot is the worst affected. And as Mr. Manager sir has said, that it is a irreversible harm has been done to us. The harm, we cannot just cope up with it. Whatever we have lost, we have lost. And still, after 10 months of the period, you all might be noticing that everything is open in our country. Every sector, every field, it has now erected itself again. But I am sorry to say that still, if we look for the schools, the clouds of uncertainty, they are still above us. Still we don't know that when our schools are going to be open fully, when our campuses will again blossom with these students. I am very sorry to say that. But after all these situations, the condition is very pathetic, but then also, as it has been inspired, here at this junction, I would like to mention few lines of Mr. Maithili Sharan Gupta. After all this hopelessness, when complete dilemma is there, that what will happen, how the schools are going to survive, how the students will recover, what will happen to our life after all this dilemma. The lines of Dr. Maithili Sharan Gupta give us. I would like to quote few spontaneous lines of Maithili Sharan Gupta. See, I quote, "नर हो न निराश करो मन को, कुछ काम करो, जग में रहकर कुछ नाम करो। यह जन्म हुआ किस अर्थ अहो, समझो जिसमें यह व्यर्थ न हो। कुछ तो उपयुक्त करो तन का, नर हो न निराश करो मन को। संभलो कि सुयोग न जाए चला, कब व्यर्थ हुआ सदुपाय भला। समझो जग को न निराश अपना, पथ आप प्रशस्त करो अपना। अखिलेश्वर हैं अवलंबन को, गॉड इज देयर। अखिलेश्वर हैं अवलंबन को, नर हो न निराश करो मन को। करके विधिवाद न खेद करो, निज लक्ष्य निरंतर भेद करो। बनता बस उद्यम ही विधि है। देखिए, आई वुड लाइक टू एम्फसाइज द लाइन्स। बनता बस उद्यम ही विधि है, मिलती जिसमें सुख की निधि है। समझो धिक निष्क्रिय जीवन को, नर हो न निराश करो मन को। सी, आई वुड लाइक टू से, आई अनकोट द लाइन्स ऑफ द डॉक्टर Maithili Sharan Gupta. See, the only thing is, that is the hard work. Our survival is completely dependent on the how hard we work. So, these are the very motivational lines. We all must keep in our mind. We all must not lose our temper, and we must keep the hope. जिस तरह से हर रात के बाद दिन आती है, after every sunset there is sunrise. So keep hope, be hopeful, and work hard. Definitely the days will change, the time will change, and once again we all will flourish. See, I have already taken much of your time, and before I conclude, I would like to admire here from this stage all the performers of the programs, those who have performed very beautifully, very wonderfully. They have presented their talents before us, and while presenting their talents, definitely they compelled us to clap for them. And we did that. Next, my thanks to all those who have been involved in making this function a success. Means there are so many figures, there are so many heads, those who have been working behind the stage. Means my thanks to all those who have involved themselves directly or indirectly to make this program a very success. Next, I would like to thank my sincere thanks to the Mr. Chief Guest Sir, Mr. Manager Sir, Director Sir, Mr. Avinash Sir, for guiding us, for giving their inspiring speeches before us, and my thanks to them that they have spared their valuable time. They have become part of us on this pious occasion of the Republic Day. So my special thanks to all of them. I thank the honorable parents, guardians, those who have witnessed our program and those are present in our school campus. My thanks to all the teachers for their active participation. Next, my sincere thanks to all the students, those who are just sitting before us. Definitely, the audience part, that is of the most important. And I would like to appreciate that our students, today they have shown the exemplary degree of the commitment throughout the program. They kept quiet, they shown extreme degree of the discipline, and whenever it was required, they never hesitated to inspire or admire the performance of the stage. Thank you very much. And at last, once again I would like to pay my homage, or I must memorize all the martyrs or the great leaders of our country. Due to them, today we say that we live in the independent country, and we have a world's wonderful and the most effective constitution. So I must conclude now because much of the time has been taken, and once again I thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you the persons sitting on the stage, and thank you everybody. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, long live Indian independence. Thank you.